Hey viewers, in the previous video I showed how I was able to fix my 𝗟𝗧 that wouldn't dispense fabric softener. Now if you've seen it and it's still not working for you, hopefully this video can help. If you haven't seen it, I invite you to check it out as it is simpler and less risky. Now if you do manage to fix it, let me know in the comments below what worked for you. Was it this video, my other video, or something else? Also please include your model number and how old it was when it failed. Now I've called this video the last resort because this fix was something I was going to try if all else failed. Fortunately, I was able to fix it by other means, and so I didn't include this one in my other videos. I had no idea whether it'll work or not. But there's been a development since then, and so I decided to make this video, but I'll get to that in a moment. Okay, so what is this fix? Well, we're essentially going to open the faulty pump. So whether it's detergent, fabric softener, or both, and we access that via this 𝗟𝗧 dispenser drawer. Now, if you've not opened this up before, please check out my other video as I show that in detail. It is a little tricky to do one-handed while I'm holding the camera, so I'm going to pause it here and come back once I've opened it. Okay, top cover removed, and here are the two pumps. So the one on the left with my model is the detergent, and that is the fabric softener. Now just a quick note, which I mentioned in my other video, make sure you do not get this connector wet. So what we're going to do is, for whichever pump is faulty, is remove these 4 screws and then lift the case off and clean out any debris or buildup that's in there. Now there'll be other components. Don't disconnect or disassemble anything unless if you know what you're doing. Now I apologize, but I'm not going to be demonstrating this. As I mentioned earlier, I have fixed it by other means and I don't want to mess with it. However, there has been a development which prompted me to make this video. And that is, I suggested this tip to a viewer in the comments of my other video, and they were kind enough and brave enough to even try it. And good news is, not only did it fix their issue, but it was relatively easy to do. Now, it goes without saying, you proceed at your own risk. If your machine is still under warranty, don't even attempt this. Contact Bosch and they'll be able to replace the dispenser free of charge. Even if you're out of warranty by a few months, I would still contact them and argue that this is a very common problem that occurs across many models. Mine failed after 4 years, so I had to pay for a replacement. And about 4 or 5 years later, that replacement failed. So that time I decided to try and fix it, and fortunately I could. So that brings an end to this video. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.